Ever wished you could control your lights without getting up? Or change how your room feels with a simple tap? Today's a good day for you. We're checking out cool smart home stuff, especially a top-notch light switch. Don't forget to hit like on this video. We're looking at the Philips Hue wall tap dial light switch, a smart device that makes life simpler and brighter. Let's jump right in. What is smart lighting? Smart lighting is a technology that lets you control the lights in your home from your phone, tablet, or a special switch like the Philips Hue wall tap dial. It's not just about turning lights on or off. You can change colors, set schedules, and even sync your lights with music or movies. Imagine your room's lights changing to match the beat of your favorite song. That's the magic of smart lighting. The Philips Hue wall tap dial switch. This compact, portable switch lets you control your Philips Hue lights without any wires. It's easy to install and even easier to use. With the Philips Hue wall tap dial, you can dim the lights, switch scenes, or turn off all your smart lighting at once. It's like using a remote control for your smart lighting, but even better. However, if you haven't liked this video yet, then it's not as cool. So go ahead and like it now. Let's find out how smart lighting is changing everything and why it's going to be unique. Let's dive into it. How IT changes everything. With the Philips Hue wall tap dial, things around the house are getting a whole lot easier. Imagine not having to get up just to control the smart lighting off or on. This isn't about those regular light switches we're all used to. Now, if you want the smart lighting just right for a cozy dinner, all you need to do is tap a switch. Or maybe you're settled in with a good book and want the room a bit dimmer for a comfy reading vibe. You don't have to move, just adjust the light to that perfect warm glow with another tap. This switch changes how we handle smart lighting at home. It's not just pushing a switch on or off anymore. It's about making lighting control a fun part of your day. You can play with the settings without any hassle, making your home light up just the way you like it. It's like having a bit of magic at your fingertips. A simple tap here, a quick tap there, and your home responds, setting the mood exactly how you want it. Installation and setup. Setting up new smart lighting gadgets can sometimes feel like you need to be a tech wizard, right? But with the Philips Hue wall tap dial light switch, things are different. You don't have to worry about a maze of wires or scratching your head over complicated instructions. This little device keeps it super simple. Imagine just picking a spot on the wall where you want this switch to go. That's pretty much the hardest part. You don't need to drill holes or mess with wires. The switch sticks right onto the wall, wherever you find it convenient. Next up, you just make sure it's talking to your smart lighting and the Hue Bridge. This is the brain of the operation, but don't worry, it's not as complex as it sounds. It's basically about making sure they can communicate with each other, and the instructions guide you through this step by step. And that's it. You're all set to control your smart lighting with a cool new switch. Dim the smart lighting, turn them on or off, or switch up the mood without ever needing to touch a wire. It's so straightforward, anyone can do it. No tech expertise required, just the desire to make your home smart lighting a bit smarter. Why it's a must-have. In 2024, smart lighting isn't just a fancy feature, it's a lifestyle. The Philips Hue wall tap dial light switch offers you the power to transform any room with a tap. It's not just about convenience, it's about making your home smart lighting smarter, more energy efficient, and tailored to your moods and activities. And if you want to easily control your lights without any fuss, the Philips Hue Smart Wireless Dimmer Switch V2 is what you need. Brighten or dim your smart lighting with this battery-powered switch, no wires needed. You don't even need a bridge to connect it. Just stick or mount the dimmer anywhere you like, and start enjoying smart light control right away. Plus, use it as a remote to switch between light scenes, making every moment at home just right. For more details, check out the link in the video description and get yours now. The Philips Hue wall tap dial is more than a gadget, it's a leap into the future of home lighting. Easily control your lights and set the mood anytime. Interested? Click the link in the video description to get yours. Welcome to Smart Lighting with Philips Hue. Brighten your home with just a tap and transform your space. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.